We all might recall some time ago Missy and Kevin gave us Missy gave us a box of door handles, these old-fashioned door handles. This one was missing one on the outside, so what I've done is I've taken it off. I mentioned the other day that this is I think a very attractive door plate, and I do. I think it's really, really pretty. Anyway, the knob was missing from the outside, so I just popped the knob off. You can open these with a screwdriver when the knob's missing. You get the right angle on it there. Like that. You see me do that? Yeah. Like, see that little knobby thing go in? Screwdriver just right. Anyway, I'm going to go out here and find the box of knobs. Back and fix that. So we'll have a knob on the inside and a knob on the outside. Oh, the joys! I mentioned the other day that my old camera would make a noise so that I would know when it was on or when it was off. This new camera doesn't make any noise, so that might be a good thing because it might force me to have to look at the screen, which has a little thing that lights up when it's on. I dropped this tag a while ago. In the midst of putting up, and the screw came down with it, and I don't know where that screw went. But anyway, y'all, yeah, I'm headed up there to get into the box of knobs, as I mentioned. Which is sitting, if I'm not mistaken, over here. There you go. Here we go. Now, that's a pretty one. In fact, I could take the one. That one. Oh, that's really nice. It's got a thing broke off in there. I don't know if it'll come out or not. That's pretty too. Lots of these have got the piece broke off inside them. It's stuck in there. This one does. That's the one that came off. It's black, but it's still nice. So I think I can put it in here like this. It actually worked out just about perfectly. This outside one doesn't have a screw to remove the knob, which means that, not that it would matter on this door, but I'm thinking, well, it wouldn't matter either way. This one does on the inside, but it works perfect. The length is perfect. Door closes fine with that. That's perfect. Okay, so that was, just a little side thing that I didn't plan to do, but I walked in here to get a battery for the camera or something. I thought I ought to fix that knob. I think that's what today's going to be like, is just fixing things that needs to be fixed.